And the next question is question 44 from the year 1979, which is one of the following techniques can be used to show that chlorophyll pigment is a mixture of chemical compounds and not a single colored compound. A, crystallization. B, hydrolysis. C, sublimation. D, filtration. E, chromatography. What do you think is the answer, guys? Okay, let's take a look. Now the correct answer is E. Now I'm going to give you a quick trick. Wherever you see substances, mixtures like ink, chlorophyll, you can be sure that the separation technique is chromatography, because the basis on which chromatography works is separation of substances based on migration